Morning, dear students. Welcome you all to the home mentoring session of business study after the Diwali break. Dear students, now we will start very important chapter of business study of part 2, that is marketing management. First of all, we will talk about what we will cover in this chapter. The meaning of marketing management, concept of market, concept of marketing, and various different terms which are used in the marketing, its features, functions, and marketing mix. Marketing mix include 4P, that is product, price, promotion, as well as place, and we will do it in detail in the different videos about these 4Ps. So let us start with the important term used in the marketing, but before starting this, we should take the example of our daily life. As all of us wake up in the morning, we go to bed and then wake up in the morning and we start our day with the different activities. For example, taking bath, taking the breakfast. In the breakfast, various items we are going to use, and questions comes in our mind: who makes these products, how these products are made, how these products comes to us, how the different persons involved for transferring these products to the ultimate customer, and different activities are performed to facilitate these exchange of goods and services. For the understanding of this, we should know the different questions which comes in the mind. For example, what do we mean by market? क्या होता है market? What can be marketed? What can be sold in the marketed? Is it product or services or something more? क्या खाली products और services marketing में आती हैं? And who is the marketer? कौन sell करता है? How the marketing is managed? So let us start with these basic terms which we will use in this chapter. The first term is needs. Dear students, जब market की बात करते हैं तो it arises out of the basic human needs. If there will be no need, there will not be a product. If there is a no product, there will not be a market. So what is the meaning of need? Need means which essential items which is required for the human existence, which human cannot survive without those items. And then we come to the wants. There is a difference between needs and wants. Wants क्या है? This is a desire. For example, we take the example कि one person is feeling hungry. He needs something to eat. So what is this? This is need. And he is provided bread, but he does not like that bread. He wants to have dosa. Then what is that? That is the want. A slight difference in the need and wants. Why we are talking these terms in the marketing? क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? Because marketing में देखते हैं कि what is the need of a human being and what is the want of the human being. If marketer is able to satisfy the need but is not able to satisfy the want, then his goal will not be fulfilled. So he has to find out what is the want of that human being or the customer. According to the need and want, the products has to be manufactured. And जो भी want होगी, according to that there will be demand. Third term क्या आती है? Demand. The person will demand what he wants, and if he is willing to buy that product, that is the demand, and he has that power of purchasing that product. Then utility. Anything which satisfy the need and the want of a human being is called utility. In simple term, we can say utility means want satisfying power of a product. जब हम बात करेंगे मार्केटिंग की तो we will revolve around this term कि marketer का काम क्या है. सबसे पहले find out करना what is the need of a customer, what is the want of the customer, what he demands from the marketer, what is the purchasing power of that customer, and how he can satisfy his need and want with his purchasing power. So, I think these terms are clear. Marketing revolves around these four terms. Now, let us discuss what can be marketed. क्या बेचा जाता है market में? In simple language, we can say which satisfy the need of a person that can be sold in the market. It can be product. Normally, this is thought कि product बेचते हैं market में. No. In the marketing, all the product and services can be marketed which satisfy the need of a human being. It can be tangible, it can be intangible, it can be goods, it can be services, it can be entertainment can be marketed. Ideas can be marketed. For example, किसी ने कोई ad बनानी है and someone is giving the idea of making that ad, that can be marketed. Because that is satisfying the need of advertisement agency. They need the idea. Place can be marketed. For example, Taj Mahal can be marketed. If you go to Taj, you have to buy a ticket. It means they are satisfying that need. So, anything which satisfies the need of a human being, that can be marketed, whether it is a product or service or idea or place or goods. It can be tangible, it can be intangible. Even the people can also be marketed. Now the question arises, how the people can be marketed? The rating of Bigg Boss is going up and up. Why? Because Salman Khan is hosting that show. It means that person is marketed to get the more TRP. Now we come to the meaning of market. क्या होता है market? एक layman की language में the place where the buyer and seller meet and seller satisfy the need of a person, that is market. But ये बात कर रहे हैं हम product की market. अगर हम सर्विस की बात करते हैं तो एक फिक्स्ड प्लेस नहीं है. Anything which satisfy the need, from where the need can be satisfied, that is the market. अगर हम मार्केट की बात करते हैं, it can be categorized in the geographical place. दिल्ली की मार्केट, अंबाला की मार्केट. अगर हम प्रोडक्ट के बेसिस पे उसको कैटेगराइज करते हैं तो कॉटन मार्केट, गोल्ड मार्केट, शेयर मार्केट. लेकिन अगर हम मॉडर्न मार्केटिंग सेंस में मार्केट की बात करते हैं तो मार्केट इज दैट प्लेस विच इज satisfying the buyer's need. So it refers to a set of actual or potential buyers of a product or services. All the customers who share a particular need or want are able to buy the product is called market. अगर डिजाइनर कहीं भी बैठा है और डिजाइनर ने अमिताभ बच्चन के प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन करने हैं तो फॉर डिजाइनर, फॉर दैट डिजाइनर, वेयर इज द मार्केट? अमिताभ बच्चन्स प्लेस. So where there is a target buyers, that is the market. Now we discuss the meaning and concept of market. Marketing management means management of the marketing functions. Dear students, when we do the marketing, we do various function. उसको कैसे manage करना है, that is marketing management. In the next videos, we will study the different function of marketing. So marketing is the process of organizing, directing and controlling the activities related to. कौन सी एक्टिविटी को कंट्रोल करता है, मैनेज करता है marketing management? For marketing of goods and services which satisfy the customer need. Now what are the features of marketing? It's very important. क्या features हैं? First is needs and wants. तो सबसे पहले मार्केटिंग के अंदर there is a first thing which has to be identified कि what is the need and what is the want of a customer. Second is creating a market offering. Now what is marketing of market offering? क्या होता है? कस्टमर को, for example, you are going to restaurant and you are not getting any variety अगर आपको कोई वैरायटी नहीं मिलती है, आपके अकॉर्डिंग कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिलता है, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गो देयर एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू परचेज एनीथिंग। तो मार्केट में डिफरेंट वैरायटी और डिफरेंट साइज को अवेलेबल कराना, दैट कम्स अंडर द फीचर्स ऑफ मार्केट। कस्टमर वैल्यू, greatest benefit or value of the money. For example, you are paying ₹10 for a purchasing a pen and that is not satisfying your need. So that will not come under the marketing. You will not buy that product. तो what it means कि जितना आप पे कर रहे हो उतनी satisfaction अगर मिलती है कस्टमर को, then they will buy that product. Then fourth feature is exchange mechanism. मार्केटिंग के अंदर देयर शुड बी टू पार्टीज एंड टू पार्टीज मस्ट एक्सचेंज समथिंग फॉर दैट वैल्यू विच दे आर बाइंग। कि अगर सेलर कुछ बेच रहा है तो ही शुड गेट सम मनी एंड बायर कुछ बाय कर रहा है तो ही शुड गेट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दैट सेम वैल्यू। थोड़ा सा उसमें डिफरेंस हो सकता है। This is the features of marketing. Now how the process of marketing goes? कैसे चलता है? अगर आपने marketing करना है तो क्या करोगे? First step, what we will do? We will choose a target market. For example, we are going to manufacture the toys. तो हम क्या देखेंगे कि किसके लिए toys बनाना है? That is the choosing our target market. Then getting, keeping as well as growing the customer. तो फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट यू विल डू, आप क्या करोगे कि लोगों को बताओगे। गेटिंग मींस बाय गिविंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट यू विल टेल द पीपल दीज प्रोडक्ट्स वी आर गोइंग टू मैन्युफैक्चर। अब आपने लोगों को बुला लिया, उनको प्रोडक्ट सेल कर दिया, अगर वो अच्छी क्वालिटी का प्रोडक्ट नहीं है दे विल नॉट कम टू यू अगेन। दैट इट मींस कीपिंग द कस्टमर, देन ग्रोइंग द कस्टमर, टेलिंग द फीचर्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट। टॉयज को कैसे चलाना है, कितना सेल्स रिक्वायर्ड है, कितने टाइम बाद बैटरी चार्ज करनी है, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स, तो दैट यू आर ग्रोइंग द कस्टमर। देन क्रिएट, डेवलप एंड कम्युनिकेट सुपीरियर वैल्यूज टू द कस्टमर। आपने एक बार प्रोडक्ट बना दिया, व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग द प्रोडक्ट द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल क्रिएट मोर वैल्यू एंड यू हैव टू टेल दैट डिफरेंट वैल्यूज टू द customer so that customer is attracted toward that product. So this was the process of marketing. Means first of all you have to find out the market, then you have to call the customer, then maintain the customer, then inform the customer, then adding more and more values by informing them again and again so that customer should not go in other brands. So this was the process of marketing. Thank you very much.